Luna has been very sick with high fever and was recently admitted into the inpatient unit.
Are they ever going to get here? Why is it taking so long? It's that doctor.
Hello, my name is Taylor.
Oh, here's
I
somebody.
will be your nurse today.
What is she doing?
In this scenario, is Mr. Morrison exhibiting any signals of escalation?
Hello and welcome to AIED Video Plus, the innovative AI-powered video creation place for marketing and EE learning tailored to your business needs. I'm Dr. DeRise, the AI avatar for Eric DeRise, the CEO and founder of AIE Video Plus. Today we are talking Vyond, a favorite animation platform of many instructional designers and EE learning developers. Eric is a Vyond expert. And with it, Eric can create an entire video completely on his own without the assistance of camera people, actors, or props, just to name a few. And he's going to teach you some of his tips and tricks of his trade right now. Check it out.
Thank you, Dr. DeRise. You know, I heard on the news the other day that there have been an increasing number of violent incidents occurring at hospitals across the country, and that this is a growing problem. And I'm not surprised, because I just completed the conversion of a face-to-face training program on de-escalating workplace violence at hospitals to an online program for a hospital chain out in the Midwest. And I learned a lot about this problem. And one of the concerns of my client was that they may not be able to get the same effectiveness with online when it comes to the scenarios, the role-playing scenarios. And I said, it's not a problem. We can recreate that either with AI video generation or animated explainer videos using Vyond, whichever way you want to go. And they said, well, we don't have that software. And I said, it doesn't matter, I have it, okay? And I'm an expert with Vyond and also with AI video generation. So we can make those training videos. We can build them into the Articulate DeRise modules, or if you want to use Articulate storyline modules, we can embed them in there as well, whichever way you want to go. Another concern that they had was, working with actors or voice actors. And I said, we don't have to worry about that. I'm a voice actor for decades now. And so, I can do all of the voiceover work. And if it's a female character, I can use a female voice clone. If it's a child character, I can use a child voice clone. And you don't have to use any other people for this production. I can do the whole thing because I have the skill set, I have the education, the software, and the experience. So is that going to increase the cost? No, it doesn't. You're paying me hourly. So whatever I produce is what I produce. And the thing is that I'm not working with Adobe Premiere or 3D animation or Adobe After Effects. Those tools are great, but they tend to take a lot of time. With the tools I work with, I can turn things around in a very short amount of time, much faster and just as good. And so consequently, we were able to produce not just 3 learning modules, but a total of 5 interactive learning modules with Articulate DeRise and Vyond, and a variety of other AI multimedia production platforms to give them the full package that was beyond their expectation. Here, let me show you what I'm talking about.
If so, what have you noticed? If you said pacing or agitation, or if your answer is both, then you are correct.
Where is the doctor? My daughter's been here for hours, and no one's telling me anything. She's burning up. I'm just supposed to just sit here and wait?
I hear you. I understand. This can be really stressful. I just came to check on Luna and...
No, you don't understand. If this were your kid, you'd be doing something. I need answers now.
Question for you. What signals of escalation are being seen with Mr. Morrison? Would you choose impeding care, verbal escalation, threatening behavior, or physical aggression? The answer is verbal escalation.
2 questions. In this moment, where would you put Mr. Morrison on the safe and healing continuum? Is he in a healing, stressful, or unsafe zone? Where would you put Nurse Taylor on the safe and healing continuum?
And there you have it. That's what you get when you work with Vyond and somebody who knows what they're doing in Vyond. You don't have to worry about going to another source for motion graphics or music or sound effects or anything like that. You can do all of that in Vyond. And I like to work with a lot of tools. I can bring that to the table. And if you want to go with AI video generation, we can go that way as well. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have questions, please let me know. I love to answer questions about this topic. It's something that I'm very passionate about. Okay? All right, back to you, Dr. DeRise.
By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can catch all of our videos as they are released. Remember, AIED Video Plus is an innovative AI-powered video creation place for marketing and e-learning solutions tailored to your business needs.
Dr. DeRise is easy to reach.
Just go to ericderise.com, fill out the form, and send him an email.
You can call him at 813-863-8711.
Or you can text him at 813-863-8711.
For AI video production and instructional design, drop me a line at ericderise.com.